Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through turning the keyboard light on or off in MSI laptops in a quick and simple way. Most MSI laptops use the FN key combined with a function key to control keyboard lighting. Look at the top row of your keyboard and find the key with a keyboard or light icon, usually on F8, F10, or F11, depending on the model. To turn the keyboard light on, press and hold the FN key, then press the backlight key once. Pressing the same key again will cycle through brightness levels or turn the light off. Gaming MSI laptops often support multiple lighting modes. If your laptop has RGB lighting, open the SteelSeries engine software. From there, you can fully customize colors, brightness, and lighting effects. If the light doesn't turn on, make sure your model supports backlit keyboards and that drivers are up to date. That's it. Using these methods, you can easily control keyboard lighting on MSI laptops. Subscribe the channel for more videos.